So you're looking to hire a freelance graphic designer for your business. Hello, everybody. I'm Caitlin Johnson. I am a freelance graphic designer who specializes in branding. And today we're going to be talking about how to find the right graphic designer for your business project needs. Finding the right freelance designer for your business can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. So I put together this little video to help you find the right one to fit your needs. Here are some tips to help you find a great fit. The first thing you want to do is research. Look for a designer who specializes in the certain type of project that you are looking for. If you're looking for somebody to create logos or a whole visual identity and brand for your business, you'll want to look for somebody who has a portfolio with that experience. Another example is looking for somebody who is experienced in packaging or specific print materials for your business. They're going to have a set knowledge and skill set to help provide you with the best results. Obviously, the easiest way to do research is online. This is probably the number one way to find somebody with the experience and similar work that you need done. The next thing that you're going to want to do is ask around. Ask people who have worked with other designers to get their feedback and experience. You can ask friends, family, colleagues, other business owners to see who they've used in the past, what they liked, what they didn't like, and even where they found their last graphic designer. This is probably a lot more reliable way of doing research on designers because you have firsthand experience from somebody that you already trust. And then the third thing that you're going to want to do is look for portfolios from these designers that you've narrowed down. This will give you an idea of their style as well as their skill set. Make sure you read through their reviews and testimonials that they have published to get an idea of their clients' past experiences. And their portfolio is going to help you determine if they truly do have the skill set and the past experience for the project that you're looking for, right? Then once you've narrowed down your search, you want to interview your candidates just like you would for any other hire. This will give you an opportunity to get to know them better, make sure that they seem like they're somebody that you would like to work with. You can, of course, ask them questions about their past experience and about the process that they like to work through, because as a freelance designer, they have the ability to create their own process and systems. So that's something that you're going to want to ask about so that you understand how the process is going to go while working with them. Then, of course, the last thing that you need to do is make a decision based on all of the past research, asking around, your interviews, and the portfolios that you've reviewed. After you've gone through all of that, you should be able to make an informed decision about who would best fit your needs and your style and your business. This is a bonus tip. Make sure payment terms and deadlines are agreed upon before you start working together so that both you and your freelance graphic designer are understanding of the expectations and everybody's happy. If you got some value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe and check out the link below if you would like to apply to work with me. Good luck on your search.